Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to review to you how you can block pop-ups and also redirects on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. So you can do this on Google Chrome and most other web browsers, and you can do this also here on Firefox, guys. So if you've grown tired of these pop-ups and redirects that appear or displayed on websites you visit, you may disable these or block them entirely. To do that, here in Firefox, simply access your browser settings. To access your browser settings, click into these three lines in the top right and select settings from that menu here. Next, head over to privacy and security. And here, guys, simply scroll all the way down till you get to the permissions section. And under permissions, simply make sure that this feature here is turned on, block pop-up windows. If you disable it or unselect this checkbox, pop-up windows will be turned on and available on websites you visit. So my recommendation would be to keep it turned on here, this feature, block pop-up windows, but at the end of the day, it's totally up to you. You may add also exception and rule for specific websites. You would like to give an exception permission to show you these pop-ups and redirects, for instance, by entering the URL here and by clicking into allow, or later remove them from that list to block these pop-ups also for them. So guys, don't forget to click into save changes here. That's how we do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.